Take out the 85 mortise. Make the trigger goes to the opposite way, up and down switching. The trigger goes to another direction. Push in the latch bolt. Adjust the latch direction. Push mortise into your door. Use two pointed screws to fasten it. Take out the cylinder with the corresponding cylinder screw. Insert the cylinder and use the screw to fasten it. Don't fasten it too tight. Testing with the key. Place the rubber pads on the panels. Start with the front panel. Unscrew it from the square steel hole. Take off the handle. Change it to the desired direction. Rescrew it. Don't fasten it too tight. Make sure the handle is functioning well. Take out the back panel. Perform the same steps of front panel. Use the connection studs to connect with the front panel. Use vise to make it tight. Make sure the dot faces the direction of handle. Insert the square steel. Take out the back panel. Insert the spring inside of the hole. Put the front panel on the door. Let the wire and connection studs go through the corresponding holes. Connect the wires. Insert the extra part inside of door. Put the back panel on. Make sure the square steel goes into the right place on back panel. Make sure the lock is placed well. Take off the battery cover from the back panel. Use the jointed screws to connect the front and back panel. Test the mechanical functions. Insert the batteries. Test before close the door.